I'm not the foolish girl you used to know so long ago. I'm stronger now. I've learned from my mistakes which way to go, and I should know. I put myself aside to do it your way, but now I need to do it all alone. And I am not afraid to try it on my own. I don't care if I'm right or wrong. I live my life the way I feel. No matter what, I'll keep it real, you know. It's time for me to do it on my own. It's over now. I can't go back to living through your lies. Too many lies. And if you don't know by now, I can't go back to being someone else. Not anymore. I never had a chance to do things my way. So now it's time for me to take control. And I am not afraid to try it on my own. And I don't care if I'm right or wrong. I live my life the way I feel. No matter what, I'm gonna keep it real, you know. Time for me to do it all. Start again, go back to one. I'm running big in my way. It's coming out, I've just begun. Don't even think about it, don't even worry about it. I'm taking it, no, I was right.